The era of the budget Mac being a compromise is officially dead. For years, we've watched Apple play a game of cat and mouse with our wallets, giving us incredible processors, but trapping them inside boxes with insulting amounts of storage. But the leaks we are looking at today change everything. This isn't just another spec bump. This is a total reconstruction of what a desktop computer should be in 2026. If you've been holding off on an upgrade, your patience is about to be rewarded in a massive way because the M5 Mac Mini is leaked. And it is an absolute beast. Forget everything you know about the old Mac Mini. We aren't talking about a new coat of paint or a slightly faster clock speed. We are talking about a machine designed from the ground up to handle the future of computing. The heavy hitters like Mark Gurman are already sounding the alarms. When the supply chain starts whispering this loudly, it's because something big is coming down the conveyor belt. Apple is moving away from the entry-level mindset and turning the Mac Mini into a professional powerhouse that happens to fit in your backpack. The heart of this revolution is the M5 chip. Apple's top engineers were given a nightmare of a task. They had to create a chip that could run massive AI models locally without the machine turning into a space heater. They succeeded. The base M5 is reportedly bringing a 45% jump in graphics performance. That is unheard of for a generation-over-generation leap. Whether you are editing 8K video, trying to play the latest AAA games, this machine is going to laugh at tasks that used to make the M2 and M3 sweat. Think about that for a second. We are seeing nearly double the graphical power in the same footprint. But the real magic is in the neural engine. It is leaked to be 3.5 times faster than the previous version. Why does that matter to you? Because Apple Intelligence is moving from the cloud to your desk. Apple wants your data to stay private, which means your computer has to do the heavy lifting itself. This new M5 architecture is built specifically for that on-device world. This isn't just about Siri being smarter. It's about real-time video upscaling, instant language translation, and AI-driven creative tools that work without a lag. And if you step up to the M5 Pro, you are getting a new Fusion architecture that bonds processing cores together in a way that makes multitasking feel instantaneous. It's like moving from a 2-lane highway to a 12-lane super-expressway. Now, let's talk about the news that actually made me cheer. Apple has finally killed the 256GB base model. It is 2026, and we are finally free from the storage tax nightmare. Every single M5 Mac Mini will now start with a minimum of 512GB of storage and 16GB of RAM. No more deleting apps just to install an OS update. No more carrying around 3 different external SSDs just to get through a workday. This was the biggest complaint from every tech reviewer on the planet. And Apple finally listened. They realized that to sell an AI Mac, you need the memory to back it up. Yes, the price is rumored to climb to $699, but let's be real. By the time you used to upgrade the old models to these specs, you were paying way more than that. In the past, adding 256GB of storage would cost you an extra $200 anyway. This is a better value, period. You are getting the latest silicon, double the storage, and a machine that won't be obsolete in 2 years. On the connectivity side, Apple in holding back. We are looking at Wi-Fi 7 and BLUETOOTH6 across the board. If you go for the Pro model, you get the lightning-fast Thunderbolt 5 ports. This is a machine built for the next 5 to 7 years, not just for today. Apple is even moving some of the manufacturing to Texas, signaling a massive shift in how they build these machines. They are betting everything on the Mac Mini being the centerpiece of your home office. It's small enough to hide, but powerful enough to replace a full-size tower. In my opinion, this is the most exciting Mac release in half a decade. For $699, you are getting a machine that can outperform PC towers 3 times its size. It's silent, it's power efficient, and it finally has the storage we deserve. Apple is stopping the nickel and dimming and finally giving us a pro-level experience at a price that doesn't require a second mortgage. The desktop wars are back, and Apple just brought a tank to a knife fight. If these leaks hold up for the summer launch, the competition should be very, very worried. The Mac Mini ain't a budget choice anymore. It's the smart choice. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with a friend who needs an upgrade, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tech update. Stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.